Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing easy and delicious trifle pudding recipe. In a bowl add jelly packet, mix, add 500 ml of boiling water, stir till it dissolves. Let it set for 45 minutes. In a bowl add 3 tablespoons of custard powder, half cup of milk, mix. In a saucepan add 1 and 1/4 cup of milk, add 2 and 3/4 tablespoons of sugar or as per your taste. Mix. Stir on medium flame. Add half cup of milk. Stir. Once the milk starts boiling, add the custard dissolved in milk and stir till it thickens. Once the custard thickens, switch off the flame. In a bowl add 1/4 cup of whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, beat it, keep aside. In a bowl add first layer of marble sponge cake, add fruit cocktail syrup, add custard, add fruit cocktails, add jelly, put some pieces of cake, add jelly, add custard, add fruit cocktail, place some pieces of cake, add jelly, Now add whipping cream. Smoothen it. Decorate it with grated chocolate, cherry, and tutti frutti. Refrigerate it for 1 hour. Delicious trifle pudding is now ready to eat. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.